Good evening to everyone present here. We are students of Kendriya Vidyalaya MAD studying in class 9A. We have a lesson in our English literature, Oh, I Wish I'd Looked After Me Teeth. It is written by Pam Ayers. We have an assignment which is related to the poem, that is interview with a dentist. So we are here with a dentist regarding that interview. Sir, we have a few questions to ask you.
Okay.
So what percentage of people have dental problems?
See, generally 92% of people have problems in the age group of 20 to 64, and generally females have comparatively more decays than males, and generally educated people have generally comparatively more awareness, so they have definitely have less problems compared to with the illiterates, and as like so the poverty people also have more problems than the rich people, but due to the lack of awareness of these foods, generally all the people have the same type of problems in the age group, and nowadays it's not with the age, it's with the food what we eat. So everyone has the same problem. So just check out with your how your daily life goes and what you eat.
Sir, what steps are to be taken for the perfect maintenance of our teeth?
See, to make our tooth much more perfect, we have to use this portable or flossing materials, or using brushing which is much more comfortable to do regularly, like using soft brushes and use of fluoride varnish or rinses. So have to eat which is much more not of sugar, and not to have this drinking of sugar candies, sugar drinks, and not to take so much of unhealthy habits like eating soft foods which is less in dietary fiber, and so use of regular fluoride toothpaste also help you in preventing this tooth decay, and take off much more. Generally what you ask for is caries. It is like a problem that causes in the tooth from a bacteria. So this bacteria causes the problem on the tooth like a soft food onto the tooth. It generally goes on decaying the tooth and causes you much more acidic or hygiene acidic problems like taking acidic problems like taking the caries foods. So I just want you students to not to take so much of unhygienic food materials, and not to take off too much sugar and soft drinks, and not to take off these bakery items like sweets, cakes, not of so much. If you take also, just take very much little, and do regular brushing, and do regular mouth rinses, and take on water and just gargle it, or just wipe off with your finger. Generally see these fingerprints help you in much more cleaning compared to the brush. So just clean off with the finger. So this will might help you in regular prevention of decay. And so I just want you students to give this awareness program to all your colleagues, which might help you in prevention of decay in our country.
Sir, what suggestion or message would you like to give to your future generation regarding dental problems?
See, I generally advise for the students to take what foods you eat, but take in limitation, and what you eat, it doesn't cause a problem, but how you clean your mouth is much more wanted for a student or for the future generations. So cleaning regularly with soft brushes and taking hygiene with an herbal toothpaste and regular flossing of your tooth. And see, actually we does have flossings of different types. You just check out in your internet also. So I just want you to take dietary fiber food materials like leafy vegetables, some fruits. So and also have prevention with fluoride water, drinking of fluoride waters. So and go on likewise with what you think which is good for health and good for food. You can just briefly differentiate what is good and what is not. Okay, by yourself also, rather than checking out with a dentist for every time. Okay. So I just want you to go for a regular checkup with a dentist for every 6 months for better healthy of your tooth.
Thank you.
What thoughts come to your mind when you see a patient helpless?
Actually, when I see my patients helpless with a lot of tooth pain, I just feel a little bit sorrow for that. But still, I feel as a part of my profession, my duty, I just go on with doing my service. So, see some come with tooth pain, some come with swellings, some come with a lot of bleeding and like pus coming out from their mouth, and some come with injuries. They feel the pain. I had to do my service as a part of duty. So I do my duty as a part of Indian citizen to give much more service to India rather than making them helpless from their pains.
Thank you, sir, for this is a gift from us for spending your valuable time and helping us in our school work.
Thank you.